What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing? What's going on, you guys? Hey, I love you. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. You guys are the best. I love you. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing today? It's good to be here with you. I miss you when we're not together. Hi. Yes, you guys, welcome to another episode of Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. If you're new to my channel, don't forget, click the like and subscribe button. Yeah, go ahead and take the time to do that. We'll wait. Okay. And also leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. We're going to make a quick, short video. I'm going to show you how to turn this bed into a fall garden in under 10 minutes, okay, you guys? You know, we don't do pretty gardening, we do productive gardening, okay? Okay, because anybody got no money to be going on here about all that pretty and fancy stuff. If you got the money, go ahead and spend it, because I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money, we ain't got no money. So we take what we have and we make it work, okay? Okay, I love you guys, you're the best. So today what I'm going to be planting are some greens. We're going to do kale. We're jumping straight into this video, you guys. We're getting ready for our fall. This is part of our fall gardening series, you guys. If you don't know when your first frost date is, please go and check it out. Farmer's Almanac. Type in your zip code and find out your first frost date, you guys, so you can have your plants ready to go into the ground before it hits you. It'll come around so fast, I'm telling you. So we're going to do some kale. Kohlrabi for the first time, you guys. I've been hearing so much about this kohlrabi, so I'm going to try kohlrabi. I have purple kohlrabi. I also have some more spinach. We also have some classic kohlrabi, the white. We're going to do Swiss chard rainbow. And this is a So Right seed collection. And the kohlrabi is from Seed Needs. Both ordered from Amazon. And some arugula. Okay, you guys, I've already showed you how to mix up your soil and everything. I just want to give you fall gardening 101, start to finish. Small space, you guys. I'm going to take this old potato bed. We're just going to rework it real quick. Get our seeds in the ground, and we should be done in a minute, okay? Because we ain't got time to be wasting time. It's hot out here. I be done fell out. Okay, I'm back. Let's go. Let's jump right into it, you guys. So the first thing I want to do, I want to get you down here in the ground with me. You know how I like to do. I like to have you right down here. How about that? Well, no, let me see. Let's see. Let me let you watch from up here so you can get a full view, you guys, okay? Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, just going to take my garden hoe. You guys, don't think about it, be about it. Don't even stop to think because you'll get tired. Just go. Just go for it. Go down your row. Just like that. Come back up. So you're killing two birds with one stone. Because we ain't going to be walking back and forth. Okay. Come on down this way. Look at the progress already. You see that? Progress. Coming back up. And we had tomatoes over here, you guys. They did pretty good. Got a little, okay. And you know we're still learning this soil. So while you're digging and hoeing, just feel around so you can tell where your stumps and things are, so you'll know you won't have any surprises. So just pretty much dig it up like that. Get your garden rake, smooth it out. Y'all know we go ahead and make it work. Get it done. Yep. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. When these plants grow out in the wild, Mother Nature, she does what she wants to do, how she want to do it, when she want to do it, okay? Okay. Pretty much, that's cleared out. Just like that. See how? Let me get you down here now. See? Nice, moist, rich soil. You know me. I love throwing in some worm castings. You don't have to overpower with the worm castings. Get some of that down in there. And then my good old faithful cocoa core. You know I love mixing in my cocoa core. And each year you're working in your garden, the more you add, the better your soil becomes. Because this yard was nothing but a pile of dirt last year. And now we have several gardens throughout this yard. So I just take my dry cocoa core, break my brick up. Because cocoa core retains moisture, you guys. That's pretty much what it does. And this is the husk off of a coconut. Okay? So now what I'm gonna do is make some rows for my crops. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a hang there, so we know that's a hang up spot. 5, 6, and then this last row down here will be 7. All right, you guys, don't talk about it, be about it. Get out there and plant your things. So starting down this end so you can see me, we're gonna put some arugula right down here. When I open up my seed pack, I don't pull the whole thing open. I just open up this little piece, just enough to get your finger in there. Get you some arugula seeds going. Just simply sprinkle and cover. And we're gonna water this well when we're done. Put some Swiss chard next to it. And this is just one of our fall beds, you guys. And these look like pods, so we're gonna sprinkle some Swiss chard and cover. Okay. Then I'm gonna do some kale. You don't have to be perfect with your garden, you guys. Nothing's perfect. Do it how you want to do it. Take your time. Some kale and cover. You want to come on down a little further with me? Kale. Then we're going to do the kohlrabi. Now let's put the spinach so we can have all our greens growing, you know, together. I think I made one row too many. That's okay because I love spinach. So we're gonna do extra row of spinach. Okay. Sprinkle some spinach seeds down. Like I said, you don't have to be perfect. And cover. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. And then we have our kohlrabi, purple and white. And we always go back and thin later. Look, one of our potatoes. We'll go back and thin later if we have too many. Okay? So here's our kohlrabi seeds. Cover. That was the purple. This is our 2 rows of spinach. And here's our white kohlrabi. And sprinkle and cover. Now you're going to water this well. I picked a very shady spot in my yard, you guys. We are looking at 80-degree weather temperatures for the next 2 weeks. You know, always check your weather, see what's going on in your area. And we're looking in 80s, and there are going to be a few days of 90s. So all you have to do, get out there, pick your shady spot right now. Start your fall vegetables in a shady location. And make sure you have some off, you guys, because these mosquitoes was out here trying to eat me out of house and home. I'm like, what is going on? They marching on me like they lives matter. And I ain't got no money for the protesters. So, you guys, I love you. Mosquitoes, stay away. We ain't got no money for you. And remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. I love you guys. You are the best. I did it in under 10 minutes. I love you.